How to make someone an admin in an Instagram group chat. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how you can make someone an admin on your Instagram group chat, but first, making sure that you are the group owner yourself. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to make someone else an admin on your Instagram group chat, there is a couple of things you can do. First, open up Instagram and go to that group chat. You must first be the admin of this group chat so you can make other people the admin. Once you are the admin, tap on the group name from the very top of the screen. And you can simply go to this option called people. Now, someone whom you want to make admin, you must follow each other. For example, there are these two people that I don't follow, but they are in the group chat. I cannot make them an admin because if I tap on three dots, you can see there is no option to make an admin. But you can see this person is a friend with me. I have followed that person and that person also follows me or anything. So I can tap on the three dots icon there. Then I can select this option that says make admin. So you must follow that person also if you want to make that person the admin of your group chat, making sure you are already the admin in the first place. That is all for today's video. Do like this video and share it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.